What up guys, Vico Kang here. In today's lesson, we're going to be fixing one of the most annoying part of your agency, which is client retention. Now the key to keep your clients staying with you month to month is to have an accountability process for your team and a value-driven report that showing your client each month this is the amount of money and opportunity that your agency are bringing up to them. For example, appointments and positive reply in this case of our agency. So what I mean by that, guy, is that when a conversation come in from Facebook ad without any intent tracking, it's hard to tell which response are worth reporting, right? Most teams end up checking reply manually and waste time and still feeling uncertain about the result. So what we did is to build a process that's super simple to follow, and in this video I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. So this is a process that auto detect positive and negative reply using GoHighLevel intended feature, and to build a weekly dashboard and update in just minutes to show to your client what kind of value our agency are bringing to them in terms of incomes and opportunity. And then we're going to show you how to report client result clearly without digging through every chat. Okay, so let's dive in.
All right, this report's been bugging me. I know it's simple and technically it works, but is it really showing us enough? Can we actually tell if the IS is working? And more importantly, can the client? So I made a few changes to improve the DFOA process. First thing, I built a dashboard that updates weekly. All I need to do is go into Google Ads, filter by Facebook leads for that specific week, and it pulls the right contacts. Then I rebuild the workflow logic. The old one just waited for an SMS, no filtering. It didn't check if the reply was positive or negative. Now we tag the intent automatically. Positive reply get tagged positive and negative ones get tagged negative. So instead of just showing a generic reply tag, we now know if the lead actually showed interest. You can count real intent in seconds. No need to dig through every single chat manually. This means less guesswork. The goal here is clarity, no more reading between the lines. For DFY reporting, all we do is plug in the date range. Let's say it's April. The data always starts from Monday and we track it through the end of the month. So if week 4 runs through the last few days, we'll just log everything there. Nothing complicated, just keeping it consistent. From there, you got two options. Either go through each date manually or export everything and paste it into the sheet. Both take less than 2 minutes. Once the data's in, you can count the intent tag replies right away. Use the filter, select the right date range, and get your number instantly. Set the range like March 31st to April 6th, and just count how many got tagged positive. That's it. You can also add a short note for context if needed. The notes don't have to go in the special field. Just drop them in the main cell and delete the rest. Simple, clean, and easy to reference later. You've now got daily and weekly data side by side. Once it's ready, just copy it. Just screenshot the full thing and drop it into your report. A clean screenshot with summary notes at the top makes it way easier for the client to understand. No extra back and forth. This version is way better. The old way made it hard to tell how many people actually responded positively. Now it's all there, clear and fast. Yeah, there are other views like add set daily data, but honestly, those require too much formatting. Right? This one's easier and more practical. The whole point is to show a broader picture and not just here's a report, but actual outcomes. What happened, when it happened, and how it performed. I'd love to include things like impressions or a daily breakdown too, something that gives both us and the client a full view of what's really going on.
So that's it, guys, for the walkthrough. If you're wondering, the link to this tracking sheet and this template is going to be somewhere on this video, so make sure that you check it out. Use the system to track results clearly, save time, and show your client real visibility into what's working and what's not working, and also showing your team what to adjust and what to optimize and what to kill. Now, this feature is only going to be possible using the high-level intent tracking feature. Now, I do understand that high-level have its own reporting dashboard, but we like to use our customized dashboard to show intent reply because our key metric, which is positive response, this is what make our client money, this is what make us money. It's not lead, it's not appointment. Or what we track is just that, and it have been working like a charm for our agency. Again, guys, all the resources will be in the link below. Now, if you have any other question, make sure that you join the school community, make a post, and hit me up. And otherwise, I'll see you soon.